Hello, hi friends. So welcome to Abora Academy. And today in live session today we are going to learn percentages. Okay, so let's wait for kids. Let all the kids join the session. If everybody can listen and see the screen, you just send me a thumbs up. Hello. Yes, hi kids. Today we are not in Kahoot. Today we are going to learn percentages. Okay. So if you know the answer, you can send a message. Otherwise, not a problem. It's just a learning session. Okay. I want you all to learn the session today. So it's all with images only. Okay. So we are not going to learn with some mathematical equations or something. Okay. So it's all with images. So it will be very pictorial format only. So it will be very easy for you to understand. So let us wait for some kids to join. So you also try to share your this live session with your friends so that they can also join the session and learn something. Let your friends also join the session. Today we are not in Kahoot, so we'll wait for 2 minutes. Okay, so let all the kids join the session. So just let me know if you are comfortable with the percentages. You send me a message in YouTube. If you are comfortable in percentages, yes. If you are not great at basics, yes, you can send me that also. Or if you are really good at maths, yes, percentages, you can tell me that also. So yes, I'll wait for your answers also. So let us wait for 2 minutes. So if possible, you can also send this link to your friends so that they will also join the session. Let them join so that they can also learn something out of this. Okay, so I really appreciate the kids who are all joining daily without missing this. Okay, so since you are learning daily, so it's a regular practice, right? So if you are practicing this regularly, so you can one day you can solve the complicated problems very easily. Okay, so it's not that we are learning for some Olympiad exam or something. Okay, so it is helpful for all the competitive exams. So whatever you are in whatever in your school they're conducting to you. Okay, so be it a second standard kid or ninth standard kid, so basics is important for everybody. So let everybody learn these sessions. So just give me one more minute. Let people join. Yes, so let us start the session. Okay, so percentages. So on the screen you have already the question, so you can understand the question, right? What percentage of the shape is green here? So this is today's topic and it is very easy. I know it is very easy. Okay, but though I just want you to go for revision. Okay, so it will be very helpful for you if you do this revision, because I'm just taking you what is percentage, then what is fraction, then how to convert from percentages to fractions. Okay, so though these are all very simple topics, I want you all to practice. So just so please, I request everybody to go and get your book and paper, sorry, pen and paper. I know that everybody is good at this, but though I just want everyone to take a pen and paper, so you can take advantage of more on this. Okay. So let us start the session. So here is your question. What percentage of the shape is green? So what is the answer? So what is the answer? Though you know the if you don't know the answer also not a problem, okay? I just want you to learn first. Okay, so without learning you cannot answer, right? So it's not a problem that if you don't know the answer. So but I just want you to learn now. So what is percentage? So percent means parts out of 100. Okay, so percent means parts out of 100. So it is very easy, right? So this block, this flat has how many sections we have? So I hope this is 10 by 10 block. See, right? By seeing the flat itself, you can understand that it is a 10 by 10 block. It's a 10 by 10 flat. Okay. So that means a block is divided into 10 equal 100 equal sections. Okay. So this shape has 100 sections, out of which, so if you observe closely, so 84 sections are completely filled with green. So 84 sections are completely filled with green. So what percentage of the shape is green? So out of 100, 84 blocks are filled with green, right? Yes. So out of 100, 84 blocks are filled with green. So what is the percentage? So percentage, so what is the sign of the percentage? Everybody knows what is the percentage sign, right? So it is, okay. Just a minute. So I'm not able to write down this. Okay. So here is my pen. Okay, fine. So see here, what percentage of this is green? So out of 100 blocks, as we can see here, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. 81, 82, 83, 84, right? 84 blocks are filled with green. Okay. So it is 84 blocks are filled with green. Okay. So it is 84 percentage. So what the percent means? Percent means parts out of 100. Out of 100, how many parts? So 84 parts here. So it is 84 by 100, which is 84 percentage. Right? I hope it is clear. If it is clear to you, I just need a thumbs up from you. Very good. I'm getting answers. Very good. That's fine. So if you understand the concept, you just send me a thumbs up. You can send me thumbs up also. Yes. So percent means parts out of 100. Okay. So similar kind of questions I'll ask you for practice. Okay. So you can answer those things very easily. Yes. Come on. Here is the next question. Here is your next question. What percentage of the shape is blue? I'll give you some time because it's you have to count the number of blocks, right? I'll give you some time. I'm giving you some time so that you can count the number of blocks. How many are filled with blue? Yes. What is the answer? I'm giving you some time so that you can count how many number of blocks are filled with green. So yes, if you are answering, yes, very good. Otherwise, I request you to start answering. Okay, so if you are wrong, also nothing to worry. Okay, so nobody is here to question you why you are wrong. Okay, so it's a learning session. So let us learn together. Okay, don't worry that if you are not giving the right answer. Don't concentrate on the right answer. Okay, just concentrate on the concept. Very good. I got answers. Very good. So the answer is yes. I've got a 77 percentage. Very good. Because see here the total flat is divided into 100 equal parts, in which out of which 77 are filled with blue color. So here the answer is 77 blocks are filled with color out of 100. So if you see the percentage, always the denominator is with 100. Okay. Denominator is always 100. Okay, so though if we don't have the 100 sections, then I'll tell you how to do that. Okay, so going forward we will learn that also. So hope it is clear to everybody. Here is the next question. Okay. So I hope everybody can watch this question, right? Is the image is clear? If the image is not clear, you just let me know. If the image is not clear, you just let me know. It's very easy. Here it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. After 50, it is just 50 first block. Right? So totally how many blocks? Yes, out of 100, 51 blocks are filled with blue color. Right? Out of 100, 51 blocks are filled with blue color. So the percentage is 51 percentage. Right, kids? Very good. I don't want to waste anyone's time. I'm just going to the next question. Okay. Here is your next question. What percentage of the shape is blue? See here you don't have the 100 blocks. Here you don't have the 100 blocks. So you need to convert this divided by 100. Okay, you need to convert that. So how to do that? Yes, come on, try. If you know the answer, yes, that's really very great. Okay, so otherwise, so we know that percent means parts out of 100. Okay, I'll write it here. So percent means parts out of 100. Out of 100, that is the denominator should be always 100. Right? So, but this shape, if you see here, we have only 10 sections. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? If you see here, this shape it has only 10 sections. Okay, out of which 6 are filled with blue. Out of which 6 are filled with blue. Okay, so now we need to write 6 out of 10. 6 out of 10 are filled with blue color. Right? So, but we know that percent means parts out of 100. So, the denominator must be always 100. Right? So, to get 100, I need to multiply this denominator and numerator with 100. Right, kids? Is it clear? So, here I have only 10 parts. I don't have 100 sections or 100 parts. Right? So, here by seeing this shape, I can see that 10 out of 6 are only filled with blue color. Okay? But percentage means parts out of 100. That means denominator must be always be with 100. Okay? So, 100 I have to get. So, to get 100 out of this, so I need to multiply both denominator and numerator with 10. Okay? So, 10 times 10 is 100. 6 times 10 is 60. That means 60 percentage. Right, kids? So, is it clear? So, is it clear? If it is clear to everybody, please send me thumbs up message. Very good. I'm getting answers. Yes, super. For those who are not familiar with the topic, I just want you people to learn now. Okay. Also, if you know the topic, also you just revise once. Okay. So it will be helpful for you to go for the next complicated sums. Okay. So the answer is 60 percentage. Very good, kids. Very good. Superb. Here is your next question. Same kind of question. Here also I don't have 100 blocks. Here also I'm not giving you 100 blocks. Now I want you to try this question and answer. Yes. So what percent of the shape is pink here? We have, as we discussed here also, we don't have 100 blocks. We don't have 100 blocks. We have only 10 blocks. Right? We have only 10 blocks. Out of 10, how many are filled with pink color? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? Out of 10 blocks, 8 are filled with pink color. So what is the percentage? What percentage of the shape is pink? So percentage means parts out of 100. Right? I need to get 100 in the denominator. Very good. I got the answer as 80 percentage. Very good. Superb, kids. So to get denominator as 100, I'll divide and multiply. Sorry, 10 here. This is not 18. This is 10. Okay, so 8 times 10 is 80. So the answer is 80 percentage. Very good. Yes, very good. Superb. So the next question. I don't want to waste your time, so I'm just going to the next question. Here is your next question. So yes, I'll maximize this. Okay. By seeing the image, I'll give you some time. Okay. So it's very easy. I want everybody to answer. It's very easy. I want everybody to answer. I'm giving you some time so that you can count the number of blocks. Yes. Good. That you're trying. Superb. So what is the answer? Very good. Very good. Advik has responded already. Very good. 57. So let us check. So here it is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Very good. Very easy. 57 blocks out of 100 are filled with color. So it is 57 percentage. Very good. Super. So I don't want to waste time. So I'm going to the next question. So here is your next question. So here is your next question. So I'll maximize the size. Okay. Simple. So the day I start the percentages lesson, I just don't want you to give a complicated parts. Okay. So I'm just giving you very simple activities. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 plus 9. Only one less, right? So it is 79. Yes. Okay. Good. Very good. Superb. Yes, here is your answer. Very good. Perfect. Very easy, right? So again, I'm repeating. So percent means parts out of 100. The denominator must be always with 100. Okay? Yes. Next question. Wow. So here is the next question. What percentage of the shape is blue? Yes. So no need that the blocks must be always in the same shape, right? Whatever is the shape, okay, it should be equally divided into equal number of parts. Okay, so here in this block, just in this shape, so just observe how many, this shape is divided into how many number of equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very good. Very good. So now it is very easy for you right now. So I gave you numbers also. It is very easy for you now. Good. So I'm waiting for the answers. I'm waiting for the answers. Let us check. Very good. I have got already the answer. Yes, 50% is the right answer. So how? Yes, again as discussed. So here this shape is equally divided into 10 equal parts, right? So this shape is divided into 10 equal parts. So out of which 5 are filled with color, right? So when it is filled with 5 colors, so but the denominator must be with 100, right? So the denominator must be always with 100. So to get 100, I need to multiply and divide with 10. So 5 times 10 is 50. So the answer is 50%. Very easy. Right? Very good, kids. Very good. So I'm getting answers. I have got answers. Very good. Perfect. So I don't want to waste your time. So going to the next question. So here is your next question. Okay. I'll maximize this. Okay. See here. Very simple question, right? So by seeing the image itself, you can understand that it's a 10 by 10 block. So number of rows are 10. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of rows are 10 and columns 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Number of columns are also 10. So it's a 10 by 10 matrix. So the block is divided into 10 by 10 equal parts, which are 100 sections. Right? Out of 100 sections, only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Only 5 parts are filled with green color. Only 5 parts are filled with green color. Very good. 5 out of 100. So the denominator is already 100. So no need to multiply this with 100. Right? Sorry, no need to multiply this with the numerator and denominator with 10. Because we are already having the 100 here in the denominator, which is part of 100. Right? So the answer is 5%. Very good, kids. So it's very easy, right? Okay. Next question. So I have changed a bit the question pattern. So here is your next question. Here is your next question. How do you write 18% as a fraction? How do you write 18% as a fraction? If you know the answer, you can send me in chat box. Otherwise, you can wait for the explanation. No, not a problem. Good. I'm giving you some time so that you can try. How do you write 18% as a fraction? Yes. Okay. Let us discuss now. Okay. If you know the answer, very good. Otherwise, just observe what I'm saying. Okay. So we know that percentage is part out of 100, right? So percentage is part out of 100. So here we have 18 percentage. That is, out of 100 blocks or out of 100 sections, 18 are filled with some color, right? 18 percentage is 18 out of 100. Okay, so we will just reduce this. We will just make it the simplest form. So what is the simplest form of this? So 2 times 9 by 2 times 50. I'm just simplifying this. Okay, so to simplify this, I'm just writing with multiples of 2. Okay, 2 if I cancel, I get only 9 by 50. Right? How do you write 18% as a fraction? Fraction is numerator divided by denominator, right? In this format, it should be in the fraction. This is the fraction format, right? So, but they are giving us in a percentage. Okay. So, we know that 18% means 18 divided by 100. That means, so here, okay. So, out of 100 blocks, 18 are filled with some color. Okay. So, to simplify this, I'm just writing with 18 as a multiples of 2. 2 times 9 and 100 as 2 times 50. So when you cancel these two, you will get 9 by 50. Okay. Yes, this is a fraction form. You can write this is also right thing. Okay. So but we should simplify this. Okay. Yes. So here is your next question. How do you write 2 by 10 as a percentage? Is it clear question? Okay. Very good. Very good. So how do you write 2 by 10 as a percentage? Yes, I'm giving you some time so that you can understand. You can just try this question. How do you write 2 by 10 as a percentage? Yes, so here is the explanation. Okay, so as we know that a person means one part out of 100, right? So for example, I'm telling you that if 1 percentage, that means 1 divided by 100, right? Or we can write in decimal format as 0.01. I'm repeating again. So how do you write 2 by 10 as a percentage? Here this is the question. Okay, first we are just understanding this concept with the simple example. Okay, 1 percentage, that means out of 100 blocks only one block is filled with color. Okay, so that is 1 by 100. 1 percentage means 1 by 100. Okay, so one part out of 100. So we in decimal format we can write it as 0.01. Okay, so we need to write the equivalent fraction with 100 as a denominator. Now here they are giving us 2 by 10, but we know that, so to get the percentage format we need the denominator as 100, right? 100. So to get the denominator as 100, we need to multiply and divide this with 10, both numerator and denominator. So 10 times 10 is 100, 2 times 10 is 20. So now it is very easy, right? So in the 100 blocks, 20 are filled with color. That is 20 percentage. Right? Again, I'm repeating. How do you write 2 by 10 as a percentage? So we know that percent means part out of 100. So in the denominator, we must have 100 in the denominator, right? So to get 100 in the denominator, here we have only 2 by 10. Okay. So to get 100 in the denominator, we have to multiply and divide this 10 on both numerator and denominator, right? So 10 times 10 is 100 and 2 by 2 times 10 is 20. So 220 by 100, that means out of 100 blocks, okay, out of 100 blocks, 20 are filled with color or whatever it is. Okay, 20 are occupied. So it is 20 percentage. So 2 by 10 as a percentage means 20 percentage. You just make sure it is not 2 by 100. Okay, if it is 2 by 100, that is 2 by 100 means 2 percentage. Okay, here it is 2 by 10. Okay, so 2 by 10, so 20 by 100, which is 20 percentage. I hope it is clear to everybody. If it is clear to you, just send me message in chat box. Good. And the next one is the last question. Can you see the question? Okay. I hope now it will be clear to everybody. Right? How do you write 0.49 as a percentage? How do you write 0.49 as a percentage? So if you see here, in the last question, I told you already that, see here. So 1 percentage means 1 by 100, which means 0.01. The decimal value of this fraction, right? 0.01. Now, here they are giving us in decimal. Now they're asking us to convert into percentage. Right? So, what we need to do here? You can write it in different formats. Okay? So, we have to get this denominator. We know that percentage means part out of 100. Okay, so definitely we need in the denominator 100, right? So we need some fraction which gives the result as 0.49. Okay, so what is that fraction? So when you multiply 0.49 with 100, okay, after decimal point we have two digits, okay, here. So multiply the decimal by 100, so that means it will become 49. Okay, it is 49. 49 by 100 is 0.49, which in turn it means 49 percentage. Yes, is it clear? How do you write 0.49 as a percentage, they're asking? So 0.49 they are giving in a decimal format. I'm just converting into fraction. That means 49 by 100, which in turn it means 49 percentage. Right, kids? I hope it is clear to everybody. Okay, and that's all. That's all for today's session. Okay, so it's a small revision. Okay, so we learned what is percentage using the pictorial form, right? So you have solved few of the problems when the image is divided into 100 equal parts. Now in this problem the image is not divided into whatever the image or whatever it is, this is not divided into 100 equal parts. Then how to do? So we have to get the denominator as 100 for the percentage, so we have to multiply and divide this 10 with this fraction, so we'll get this 60 by 100, so that means 60 percentage. So we learned this one. And what is the other thing that you learned? Okay, this is also the same thing. This is not divided into 100 equal parts, so only 10 sections only it is there. So we were converting that into 100 sections and we were finding out the percentage. So this is also the same method, and here they are giving us the percentage, we were converting that into a fraction, right? We have converted that into fraction. So 18 percentage means 18 by 100, so which means we are converting that into fraction. We have converted the simplest form, right? Done. Now the next one is also different format. So fraction they are giving, simple fraction they are giving, we have to convert into percentages, right? 2 by 10 means 20 percentage, whereas 2 by 100 is 2 percentage. Okay, just understand the difference, don't get confused. The last one, how do you write 0.49 as a percentage? So it's in decimal format. First I just converted into fraction, then I have converted into percentage. Right, kids? I hope it is clear to everybody. If you like the session, you just send me a message, or if you are not clear at some points, you can send me always a message. Okay, thank you so much. That's all for